Hey, I'm Ron from Kolleno, the best NetSuite compatible suite app for collections, chasing, payments reconciliation. And in this video, I will go through a specific part of the Dunning Letters SuiteApp, which is the Dunning configuration option. When you install the Dunning Letters SuiteApp, if you don't know how to do it, watch the previous video that has been made for installing and activating the Dunning Letters bundle. A Dunning configuration record is generated for each of your active subsidiaries. Whenever you will activate an inactive subsidiary, the system will also, generate a new corresponding Dunning configuration record. Likewise, each newly created subsidiary receives an automatically generated Dunning configuration record. That configuration, you can find it in Setup, Dunning, and here it is in Dunning configuration. So by default, if I select one of them, you can see that it's set with the following: automatically assigned to new customers. So if it's enabled, it will ensure that new customer records for that subsidiaries are automatically assigned a Dunning procedure. It's the same idea for invoices and invoices groups. While modifying a Dunning configuration record is not something that's mandatory, it's absolutely optional, it can provide some flexibility. If you don't want to automatically assign for X or Y reason, then you just do it here. It's important to note that if you delete a subsidiary, its corresponding Dunning configuration record will also be deleted. So you see, that's very simple. Give a like to this video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.